Hey guys, my name is Jericho, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 hairstyles that I use in the awkward stage. So the first hairstyle I'm going to be showing you guys today is a slick back. We're going to start this hairstyle with damp towel dried hair. Then I'm going to go in with some hair oil, just a few drops in my hand. Then just kind of mix it around throughout the hair, try and get it everywhere that I can. Next, I'm going in with some Original by Bloom-On as pre-styler. A little bit in the hands, starting in the back and making my way towards the front, as to not weigh down the fringe. And on to the blow dry. I started by brushing my hair straight back as I blow dried it, using a vented brush just to kind of help give it some direction. And finally, we are going to go in with some 5th sample pomade as our post styler. Again, just going to break it down in my hands a little bit. Now this stuff, it's okay to have a lot for a slick back, and then I kind of just went through with a comb to straighten it all out. For my next hairstyle, I went for more of a side swept fringe. So I basically did the same thing as the last hairstyle, except at the end, instead of using a comb, I kind of just used my hands to brush it over to the side, and I didn't use as much pomade in the hairstyle. And lastly, we're going to be going for a bit of a side swept curtains hairstyle. This is my everyday hairstyle. First, we're going to be starting again with damp towel dried hair, and we're going to put a little bit of hair oil in. Because we previously styled my hair with a few other products, I decided not to add anything else as a pre-styler, but to use the remainder of the other products as pre-styler. On to the blow dry. Because this is a more natural looking hairstyle, I didn't use the brush as much. I more so used my hands to kind of help direct the hair, but I mainly just let the hair go in its natural direction. And lastly, I decided to use some hybrid cream clay as post styler, as it is a matte finish and it's not as strong of a hold. It works just perfectly for the laid back, side swept curtains type style that we were going for. And there we have it.